Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your progress. Back up the save folder to a separate location. Once done, verify game files in Steam or Epic to replace corrupted executables and assets. This fixes many load errors. Make sure to pause Cloud Sync first so a bad cloud copy doesn't overwrite your backup. After verification finishes, keep the backup handy and note the exact save folder path so you know where to restore files if needed. Next, address permissions and anti-cheat conflicts because they commonly block save loading. You should run the game as administrator and confirm the save directory allows your account full control. Windows can silently block writes. Then, repair Easy Anti-Cheat from the game folder and add exclusions in your antivirus for both the game and save locations to prevent quarantining. If your saves live on an external or network drive, move them to the local SSD and reset ownership so the game can access them reliably. Finally, restore the backed up save into the exact save directory and launch the game while Cloud Sync remains paused. This confirms local loading before any sync. If the save loads, re-enable Cloud Sync and ensure the correct file is chosen for upload. If the issue persists, consider removing the corrupted local file and downloading the cloud copy, or submit a support ticket with error logs. Key tip: when cloud conflicts occur, resolve them by keeping
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.